Open the Fancy Walls website and choose Wall Murals from the drop-down navigation menu. Now, select your wall mural design. Once you choose your design, click the Mural Calculator button. First, you can choose the material for your wall mural. You can choose between peel and stick and non-pasted wallpaper material. Now, it is time to choose your measurement system. You can use centimeters, inches, or feet. Once that is done, enter your wall measurements. After that, adjust the mural design to fit your wall. You can also add a custom name to the mural for select designs. Remember to adjust the position according to your needs. Remember to preview how the design will look when you have finished all adjustments. You can see wallpaper panel alignment and measurements. Finally, click the Add to Cart button and proceed to the checkout. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you back on our YouTube channel.